How are we, guys, and welcome back to the Small Kind Ding Repairs editing suite, the powerhouse where all of the magic happens. I have been very slow with this newest video. I've harped on about it a lot. It's a how-to guide on poly repairs, and it is happening. I am editing it, but it's going to be a big video, or probably a series of videos, I would guess. I've edited about an hour and a half of it already, and we're maybe halfway through. So I'm guessing it's going to be a 2 to 3 hour long video, which means I'll probably end up having to cut it into chapters, like a series, which is fine. But it has taken a long time, and I really haven't uploaded a proper video in a little while. We did have this one on measuring fin boxes, I believe. Oh, and we did the poly resin does not go on top of epoxy resin. Poly resin does not go over epoxy resin. Remember that. But yeah, I feel like these were only sort of small half videos at 10 minutes long. The last one was a little longer at 19 minutes. So what I do though, even in the hiatus like we're in right now, is I always upload members only videos. So you can see here every week at least there's a members only video coming out, sometimes a couple of times a week, most of the time just once a week, but it's just kind of a catch up on jobs I'm doing and what's happening, that kind of stuff. So these videos are really easy for me to get out because I just film them on the phone, I edit them on the phone, and I don't have to balance sound and all that kind of stuff. So a little while ago, 5 months ago, I did a series on glassing this wooden board here, and it came out to like an 8-part series, I think. So I thought what I would do is I'm going to start releasing this series to the public. Maybe every couple of days I'll release the next episode, and they range from like this one's 5 minutes and this one's 20 minutes. So depending on the stage of the job, they range in length. But it was quite an interesting job for me as well. Something worth checking out. It might help tide you guys by while I continue to edit this poly guide. And then hopefully by the time we get to the end of this series, that poly guide will be pretty much good to go and I'll be able to release it so you'll have something else to watch. I have also started filming another video this week as well, which is quite an interesting one. All that footage should be done this week, and it'll be a pretty easy one to edit, that one. So that to look forward to as well. On the subject of memberships, so you are of course welcome to join as a member of the Small Kind Ding Repairs YouTube channel. You can do that by going to the channel and finding this membership tab here, and that should give you an option to join. Sometimes on Macs and iPhones there isn't a join button, but on any one of my videos, if you go into the description, we'll try this one, and just go see more of the description, there should be a link here. If you want to check out memberships, there is a join button on my channel, or you can click this here link, and that's that link there. Once you sign up, you'll also want to join this super secret Facebook page for members only, and that does of course include like a Facebook chat thing, Messenger, whatever they call it. But there's all kinds of stuff that happens in this group. People repairing boards, trying vegetable oil blanks, building shaping bays, spraying fin box repairs. People are making fins. There's 3D printing of all kinds of weird doodads. Jesse here built an entire shaping bay, which was pretty epic to watch. A lot of questions about paint and plugs and all that kind of stuff. So it's been really cool to get to know these guys, and of course you're more than welcome to join if you like. If you've been missing me, if you've been missing the videos, just know I am still editing. I haven't abandoned the channel, but this video is just so big it's taking a little bit of time, but there will be more videos starting with this members series. So yeah, I'll start to release them slowly, whole process start to finish. So I'll start to release them. It'll tide you by in the meantime. That's about it. I'm rambling now. Hope you're well, guys. Have a good one, and we'll see you very, very, very soon.